This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to reset your Chime PIN. Whether you've forgotten your PIN or just want to change it for security reasons, resetting your Chime card PIN is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Chime app on your device. Make sure you're signed into your account before proceeding. If you're not already signed in, simply enter your username and password to access your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of the app. Now, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon labeled Profile. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to your profile settings, where you can manage different aspects of your Chime account. Once you're in your profile, you'll want to look for the section labeled Cards. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with options to manage both your virtual and physical cards. This is where you can make adjustments to your card settings, including your PIN. Within the Cards section, you'll see an option that says Change PIN or Reset PIN. Tap on this option to start the process of updating your PIN. This step is crucial, as it ensures that your new PIN is securely set up and ready to use. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your new PIN. Make sure it's something memorable yet secure. After entering your new PIN, you'll need to confirm it by entering it again. This double entry system helps prevent any mistakes and ensures that your new PIN is exactly what you intended it to be. And just like that, you're done. Your Chime card PIN has been successfully updated. Remember to keep your new PIN safe and avoid sharing it with anyone to ensure your account remains secure. Resetting your Chime PIN is a quick and easy process, but it's a crucial step in maintaining the security of your finances. If you ever need to change it again in the future, just follow these same steps. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.